Om Swastiastu. Good morning, Ms. Anjani. My name is Mahdi Tristan Sadu Silwangi. I'm from class 1211. Today, I would like to present my research entitled Tourist Cultural Experience and Culture Shock in Bali Tourism Areas. When people travel to a new place, they often encounter different cultures, traditions, and ways of life. These differences can make visitors feel surprised, confused, or uncomfortable. The situation is known as culture shock. Culture shock is an emotional reaction that occurs when someone enters a new cultural environment with different values, norms, and daily habits. The term culture shock was first introduced by Obert in 1960. It describes the feelings of disorientation and frustrations that people may experience when they must adjust to new values, norms, and daily habits. However, culture shock is not always negative. Sometimes, visitors feel excited and curious when experiencing a new culture. This stage is known as the honeymoon phase, when everything feels interesting and enjoyable. Bali is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Many tourists visit Bali because of its beautiful beaches, rich traditions, and unique culture. However, first-time visitors may experience culture shock because the culture and daily life can be very different from their own countries. This topic is important because tourism connects people from many different cultural backgrounds. Understanding culture shock can help tourists and local communities build better cultural understanding and respect. Therefore, the purpose of this research is to understand how tourists experience culture shocks when visiting Bali and what culture differences they notice. In this research, I use an interview method. I interview a foreign tourist at Sanur Beach in Bali to understand her experiences while visiting Bali. Based on the interview research, the tourist named Jamie said that she experienced culture shock while visiting Bali. She explained that this was her third visit to Bali, and she noticed that the island has changed a lot compared to 10 years ago. Today, there are many new hotels, villas, and construction is happening in many areas, which sometimes cause traffic congestion. One example is Canggu, which has become one of the busiest tourist area in Bali. However, Jamie still enjoys her time in Bali. She spent time at the beach, reading books, relaxing and listening to music. Even though she lives near the beach in her hometown, the experience in Bali felt different and enjoyable. Another cultural experience that surprised her was seeing Canang, which are traditional Balinese offerings. She noticed that these offerings can be found in many places, such as in front of houses, near intersections, and in other public areas. From this research, we can see the culture shock includes both challenge and positive cultural experience. At first, tourists may feel surprised by local traditions. However, over time they begin to understand and appreciate the Balinese culture. Many tourists also say that Balinese people are friendly, welcoming, and respectful, which help visitors feel more comfortable and adapt more easily. In conclusion, culture shock is an unnatural response when people encounter a new cultural environment. In Bali, tourists may feel surprised by the traditions, religious practice, and development in tourist areas. However, these differences can also create meaningful and enriching experience. The friendliness of the Balinese people helps tourists adapt and turn their culture shock into a positive cultural experience. That is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Om Santi Santi Santi.